Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to enable the side panel on the left side of Google Chrome on your PC. This feature can enhance your browsing experience by providing quick access to bookmarks, history, and more, all from the left side of your screen. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the new features and updates. Once you have Chrome open, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. Next, click on the three dots. This icon represents the More Options menu. It's a common feature in many applications and is where you can find various settings and tools to customize your browsing experience. Now, scroll down to Settings. This will open a new tab with various options that allow you to personalize how Chrome works for you. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these settings as they can significantly enhance your productivity. Once you're in the Settings menu, enter the Appearance section. Here, you'll find a variety of options related to how Chrome looks and feels. It's a straightforward way to adjust your browsing environment according to your preferences. Finally, change the side panel position to Show on Left. You'll see an option that allows you to select where you want the side panel to appear. By choosing Show on Left, you'll be able to access your bookmarks and other features conveniently from the left side of your screen. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Chrome side panel to the left. This simple adjustment can help streamline your workflow and make navigation easier while browsing. Remember, having quick access to your bookmarks and history can save you time and keep you organized as you explore the web. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Google Chrome experience. Thanks for watching.